In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Zoom meeting and send link. First, open Zoom and make sure you're on the home screen. This is where you'll find the main meeting options, including the schedule button. Go ahead and click schedule. A small setup window will appear, and this is where you'll enter the details for your meeting. Start by typing in your meeting title so it's easy to recognize later. Then set the start date and time, along with the end time. Be sure to choose the correct time zone, especially if you're meeting with people in different locations. If this is a meeting that happens regularly, you can also set it to repeat. Taking a moment to review these details now helps prevent confusion later and make sure everyone joins at the right time. Next, if you want to invite people right away and send them the link automatically, go to the Invitees field. Here you can enter the attendees you want to add. Depending on what's available in your Zoom account, you may be able to search by name, phone, or email. Once added, those people will be included in the invitation. You'll also see meeting options such as the meeting ID. You can choose whether Zoom should generate one automatically or if you want to use your personal meeting ID. There may also be options to edit the passcode and disable the waiting room. These settings can affect how people join your meeting, so it's a good idea to quickly check them before sending anything out. Once everything looks good, click send. Zoom will automatically send the meeting link to the people you entered in the invitees field. After that, you'll be able to see the scheduled meeting on your home screen, which makes it easy to find again later if you need to make changes or review the details. If you forgot to add someone, or if you couldn't find their contact information while scheduling, don't worry. Go to the scheduled meeting on the home screen, click the More Options icon, and then select Copy Invitation. This will copy the full invitation details, including the meeting link. You can then paste and send that invitation using another messaging platform, like chat or email, depending on what works best for you. That's all it takes. Once you've done it a couple of times, scheduling a Zoom meeting and sending the link becomes a very quick process.